Alright guys, so today we got the 675 LT. I'll just unlock it there. You guys can see the lights go on. So this is around 675 horsepower. You guys can see I just unlocked it. Take a quick look. Got the full carbon lip, carbon all around the car. Lots of carbon. Lots of carbon. Take a quick look inside. Very clean. Got the 675 in the headliner there. Carbon on the inside as well. You can see the middle console there. Take a quick seat in for you guys. Try to get that focus. Try to get the focus in here. It's very tight, but you guys can see the whole carbon steering wheel. Someone was just calling me. If you look around, I believe that's Alcantara there. We got the engine start and stop right there, and lots of carbon. Anyways, it's too tight in here. I gotta get out of here, but I'll try to do a pan in here. Alright, time to get out. Well guys, that is the McLaren. You guys saw the inside. Go ahead and close this door. There we go. Take a quick look around the back. Very nice car. Lots and lots of carbon fiber. I mean, the whole back is carbon fiber. Some pipes there. Take a look at the engine. Again, carbon fiber. The wing, everything carbon fiber. Let's take a look at the wheel setup real quick. McLaren brake pads. course. Mclaren 675 LT, and base price is around 350,000. There you go, guys. Peace.